Can't stop coughing? Put down the medicine and run to your kitchen. Number 1. Honey. It coats your throat and soothes irritation. Studies show it works as well as some cough syrups. Number 2 is a surprise. Pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down mucus and reduces inflammation. Last one, ginger. It relaxes membranes in the airways. Warm ginger tea is a game changer.
Try these and stay healthy. My subscriber count is stuck. Make my day and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.